property of CSS, right? Let's see and understand what is box shadow and how can we use it on any element of HTML. Okay. So to do that, let's open a new web lab project for that. So I'm just clicking on web lab to open a web lab project. Now, if you have not been watching my video series yet, please do go back to my channel Folx Hub and do watch all my videos in sequence. There are multiple playlists where we are just covering game development, app development, web development, and multiple playlists. We have programming concepts being discussed here, and there's so much more content which is going to come up later, right? So yeah, we're just in the beginning days, and I'm just uploading the very basic content, and it's not going to be the same, however, right? So we'll be updating, and the videos will have more and more content in upcoming videos, right? So starting off today with our mark shadow thing, let's see and understand how to do that. If you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel, right? And starting off with some element here. So I would just like to take image element because that actually gives you'll have the image and you'll see the effect, and also that's why I'm just creating image tag. So let's write the source, let's get the link. You already know I will always get flowers. Yeah, let's click on it, images, and let's see if I'm being lucky today. Copy image address. I don't know how lucky I am. Oh my god, I don't think I'm lucky. Uh, that's a huge link. We really don't want that. I think we can use this. Right. Uh, some other day we have used the same link, I hope. Yeah. Oh my god, this is huge. Like you can see, this is so huge. So let's just change the width and height of this image with 500. Better. I don't want to change height. Um, in fact, I would just like to give 550, maybe 555, fancy number. Yeah, this is good. Okay. I don't think this will work out. Let's give 500 only because you should see the shadow, right? So the effect and all. Let's go to style.css now and let's style. Before this, I'll just style the body, text align, center, so that all the elements will try to be in center. Yeah, yeah. So on the image tag, I'm just starting to style my image tag. First thing I would like to give is margin. Let's give 10 pixel margin. Let's click on refresh and save to check this out. Uh, okay, not bad, but let's give 30 pixel margin. I think, yeah, yeah, this is better, right? So that now you can see the shadow effect and all properly and clearly. That's why I'm just doing this now. So we today we're actually learning about box shadow, right? So I'm just renaming my project as box shadow. I wrote box shadow. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, let's see. First, we have to write the property box shadow. Okay, so box shadow actually takes few parameters into this, right? First one will be how many pixels you want your shadow to go towards right side. Okay, so how many pixels it has to leave on the left, that you have to give. Let's say I'm just writing 10 pixels. Okay, then how many pixels from top it has to leave and then give it. So I'm writing 10 pixel. Okay. So you can see on the left it is giving 10 pixel gap, and on top also it is giving 10 pixel gap. And then it starts the shadow. It starts creating the shadow, right? So how much spread you want, right? So that you will have to give it over here. So I mean to say, let's say I'm just writing 10 pixels here, right? So you can see that change in it, right? So it's now like it is giving 10 pixel shadow width. Okay, so and then we can also change the color. Let's suppose I want a gray color shadow. You can see now the shadow effect is in gray color. Okay, so this is how the box shadow works, like, right? So let's understand this in a deeper sense. If I just write 100 pixel, you can see on the left it is giving 100 pixel gap, and then it is moving towards right side. The shadow is coming after the 100 pixels from left. So that's why first value, how many pixels on the left you just want to give gap, right? So that is given. Okay, and this one, if I write 100 pixels, you are seeing that the complete shadow effect is moving 100 pixel downwards, and then it starts the shadow. Okay, so you can see the complete spread and all, right? It's covering the entire thing, right? So how much ever your image size is, the shadow also will be of that size only, right? But yeah, the shadow effect should come, like you should see that effect, right? That's why we'll give the left thing and the top thing here. Okay, so, and this is like, let's say I'm just writing 100 pixel here. You can see this shadow effect is actually like spreading itself towards the 100 pixel thing, right? So the effect is now more, yeah, on all sides. It's just like the more kind of effect is given. Let's say I'm just giving, I'll write green color. See, I hope now you can see the effect clearly. Okay, so if I give red, then that should match our picture also. Yeah, so see, this is the red color shadow effect. It is actually spreading itself 100 pixels, like the spread effect is 100 pixels. Okay, and yeah, this is how the box shadow works like, right? You can actually give shadow on any element possible. Okay, let's say I would like to give box shadow on a p tag. So okay, this is a closing tag. Let's write this. This is a paragraph. So on style, on p tag, let's just write box shadow. So take this thing. On p tag, I'm just pasting this, and I really don't want to give this big effect, right? You can see, let's give some break tags over here because I just want some space. Or uh, no, let's give margins, right? Margin, I'll give 100 pixel margin. So 100 pixel is not enough. Maybe 200 pixel margin. Yeah, it went down over here now, right? So you can see there is some margin, I mean, so there's some box shadow effect which is given for this also, right? 100 pixel is very big, so that's why you can't see the effect at all. Now you can see the shadow effect on the paragraph element, right? So 10 pixel gap I gave. This is too much, I think. So let's give 1 pixel. You will see it just moved towards left, the shadow. This also I'm just giving 1 pixels. Now you can see the effect is actually cool because there's no much gap towards the, like it is not moving towards right side and it's not moving towards bottom, and there is 10 pixel spread with red color. That's why you can see this is something like this. Okay. Likewise, you can actually give shadow to any element possible. Okay. And you know how to style your image also, right? Like if I give border radius, border hyphen radius, and if I give 50%, so this becomes a round image. Like this is a rectangular picture, right? That's why it is bigger, becoming oval in shape, right? But yes, if you give height also as 500, let's suppose. So height as 500. Then now you can see this is a circular image. Okay. So basically, when your width and height of the pictures is same, okay, that becomes a square image, right? Then a half of width or half of height, if you write as border radius pixels, that means instead of 50%, if you write 250 pixels, even then it will become rounded. Okay, so this became a round image. Okay, so or if not half of width or half of height, you just have to write 50%. Okay, so basically it will take 50% of the original size of the image, right? Original size, I mean to say, whatever width and height you give, that will be the original size of the image now. So instead of writing, you manually calculating what is half of the width and all, you can directly give 50%. So it automatically calculates and it just changes that into this, right? So if it was a rectangular image, you saw it became oval in shape. Okay. So that's how it is. If the height is more, then it becomes vertical oval kind of thing, right? If the width of the image is more, then it becomes a horizontal oval image. Okay, so this is how it works, and I hope you all guys understood about the box shadow, and also how to style a particular element with box shadow, and how to use it, how to give color, and what exactly are the parameters inside that, right? So this was all for today, guys. I hope you all understood this, and let's meet in the next session with a different content, right? So till then, you know what you have to do. You just have to watch all my videos in sequence. Go to playlists. There are multiple playlists. Start watching any playlist and start watching them in sequence so that you can understand the content and concept better, right? So, yeah, I would definitely recommend you to watch all my playlists for understanding every concept clearly, because whatever we've been discussing, so we it's just like the continuation, it's just like a course you're taking, right? So you'll understand this easily, and this will be better, right? Yeah, this is all about our today's session, guys. Okay. So do submit your projects, do apply these things on your web pages, and send me your web pages, right? I would definitely love to see them, love to watch all of them, and learn something from your pages also, right? What creativity you have applied, what type of pages you have created, what tables you have created, everything you can actually share it, all of those with me, right? I would be very happy to see all your work. Okay, so yeah, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, folks. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye, and have a great